test.
Unlike,
Yang mana? Sorry.
unlike an all test, another test ya.
Ya, unlike an AI. AI itu yang seperti yang kita tahu. Ya, jadi ada AI, artificial intelligence.
Oh,
Yeah. So this is will be able to make you feel relaxed and confident to keep practice your English. And there are three parts to the speaking test. Part 1, the examiner will ask you general questions about yourself and a range of familiar topics such as home, family, work, studies, and interests. And this part lasts between 4 until 5 minutes. And then part 2, you will be given a task card and the examiner will ask you to talk about a topic, and you will have 1 minute to prepare before speaking for up to 2 minutes. The examiner will then ask 1 or 2 questions on the same topic to finish this part of the test. And part 3, you will be asked further question connected to the topic in part 2. This question will allow you to discuss more abstract ideas and issues. Okay. So this is the part 1. Part 1 is the test. We'll start with the examiner asking you to state your name and show your identification. Ya, biasanya mereka akan bertanya tentang identitas kamu, ya, akan meminta kamu untuk menyebutkan nama dan mengejanya juga. Kemudian next you will be asked general questions about yourself, such as where you live and what you are currently doing. Is it working or studying? And then you will then be asked some questions about a range of familiar topics, for example, about the music you like, cooking, the weather, or movies you prefer. So you will generally be asked about 1 or 2 topics. And then the examiner will ask scripted questions and will listen to your answer, prompting you to extend your response with a why or why not. And then if your answer is too short, ya, jadi kalau jawabannya terlalu pendek, biasanya mereka akan bertanya kenapa atau kenapa tidak, ya. And then this part of the test follows a question answer format is for focusing on your ability to communicate opinions and information on everyday topics by answering a range of questions. Okay, this is the part 1, introduction and question on familiar topics. Yeah. This is the test. Yeah, we have you will have 1 or 2 minutes to prepare and 4 until 5 minutes of talking time. Ya, jadi sebelum menjawab pertanyaan ini diberi waktu kesempatan 1 sampai 2 menit ya untuk mempersiapkan jawaban. This question is about village and hometown. This part of the test begins with the examiner introducing himself or herself and checking the candidate identification. It then continues as an interview. Okay, let's start. Yeah, let's talk about your hometown or village. What kind of place is it?
Aku jawab.
Yeah.
Uh,
You can you can prepare your answer within 1 or 2 minutes.
Okay. Sebentar ya, Miss. Siapin jawaban dulu.
Boleh. Sure. Take your time.
Kop surat ini gimana?
Udah, Miss.
Yeah. Okay.
Ya.
And
Can you
what?
repeat the question?
Hmm? The question is, what kind of place is it?
The place is Bandar Lampung City.
The place is,
Bandar Lampung City.
ya, what kind of place is it? Jadi kalau pertanyaannya tentang what kind, artinya seperti apa tempatnya?
It is Kota Madia itu apa ya?
A city. A
City.
city or a town?
It is a town.
Maybe
It
you
is
can say it is quite a small village.
It is a town which has some beach and field and has a variety of suku itu apa ya?
Suku.
Variety of ethnic.
Ethnic, ya.
Yes, and it is in the position is in the end of Sumatra.
In the end of how far is it from the city?
It is in the middle of town.
Yeah, in the middle of town.
Yes, di tengah kota.
And how far is it from the capital city?
It is about the 6 hours.
6
6
hours.
hours from capital city.
How many kilometers is that?
I don't know exactly what how kilometers is it.
Is it? Okay. So, and then the question number 2, what's the most interesting part of your town or village?
The most interesting part of my village is my town is food.
Food.
Yes.
Yeah, can you tell me more about the food?
Yeah, Bandar Lampung has many unique food like seruit, and then Bandar Lampung also also city that produce the coffee and the tea and coffee bean.
Coffee bean?
Yes. And about the food, I think there is no undelicious food in Bandar Lampung.
So everything is good and delicious?
Like keripik pisang,
Hmm?
and so
Banana chips.
many
Banana chips.
yeah
Banana chips.
banana chips, and there are so many food that can make bisa dijadikan apa ya,
Can make.
can made chips, like jackfruit, apple chip, and sweet potato. Yes.
Many food can be used as chips. Can be used. Jadi banyak makanan yang bisa dijadikan sebagai keripik.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Then what kind of jobs do people in your hometown or village do?
The kind of jobs people do in Bandar Lampung are government employees, businessmen, teacher, entrepreneur, or a seller, has a store, and so many jobs people can do in Bandar Lampung.
Okay. Would you say it's a good place to live?
Yes, of course, it is a good place to live, because although Bandar Lampung has a high of crime rate, in the other side, Bandar Lampung has a peaceful place, like has a beautiful beach, and mountain, and the other place that we can enjoy.
Yeah. Maybe you can make the noun become plural. Ya, jadi beaches and what else? Mountains.
Mountains, yeah.
Okay.
Beaches and mountains.
Okay. The next to the second one is to the accommodation. Yeah. Let's move on talk about accommodation. Yeah. You will have 1 until 2 minutes to prepare your answer and 4 until 5 minutes of talking time.
Okay.
Ya. Boleh disiapkan dulu jawabannya.
Okay.
1 sampai 2 menit.
Short accommodation itu maksudnya apa ya, Miss?
Which one? Oh, sort, macamnya.
Apa?
Macam, jenis.
Oh, macam.
Atau akomodasi yang seperti apa?
Mm-mm. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, you can start answer the question.
Yes. The kind of accommodation I live in is official residence. It is a I how long have you? I have lived in this accommodation is about 3 years.
3 years. And what
Yes.
do you like about living there?
Um, I like to living here because it is near from the office.
Yeah, so the company provide you the accommodation.
Yes. And the living cost is so low because it
So
is low because the
low,
low.
yeah, low
Yes, because the office has paid it.
for your transportation also.
Yes, in the sebentar.
Or is it like travel allowance?
No, it has a little, yeah, a little general transportation.
Like shuttle?
There's no taxi here. The taxi is a car with the mobil pickup, Miss. Apa tuh?
Yeah, pick up car.
Pick up car.
Mhm.
The people customize that car
To be the
to make it the general transportation.
general transportation.
Yes. The office uh, give the employee vehicle like but it is based on the level.
Oh,
Yes.
right, just by the level of
Yes.
working company. So the company supports like giving a shuttle.
Yes.
Is it free?
It is the office is not giving the vehicle, but the office give us the money to
Oh,
buy, which is the value is setara,
equivalent,
is
equal,
equivalent,
yeah, equal
equi
to,
equal to the price of vehicle.
oh,
Yes, and in each level has different value, like from the level 1 until 3, the office give the employee equal to the car price.
oh,
And the level 4 until 6, the motorcycle price.
oh, that's cool. Okay, next,
The sort of
accommodation.
accommodation that I most like to live in is like a villa,
Villa.
is surrounded by the plantation.
So live among the plantation.
Yes, surrounded by plantation, so it has a calm situation, um, and far from the busy of city.
Would you say it's a good place to live?
Yes, there is the good place to live in di masa tua Pak,
In the future?
in the future. But now I think live in the middle of town is the best kind of accommodation, because it is near from school, near from the department store, from the other place that people need, hospital.
Yeah, surrounded by the facility.
Yeah.
Okay, let's move to part 2. After part 1, yeah, the examiner will give you a topic and will ask you to talk about it for 1 until 2 minutes. The topic will be handed to you on a card, and you will be also given a piece of paper and a pencil for making notes. On the card, you will see the speaking prompt and some points you can cover in your talk relating to this. You will have exactly 1 minute to prepare and make notes before you speak. The examiner will use a timer and will tell you when your time is up. The examiner will tell you when to start your talk and will remind you that they will stop you after 2 minutes. The points on the task card will help you to think of what to say, and you should try to keep talking for the full 2 minutes. They may ask you a question about what you have said before going on to the next section. This part of the test assess your ability to speak at length on particular topic, using appropriate language and organizing your ideas in a logical way. You can use your own experience on the topic to help complete the long term. Okay, this is part 2 ya, kita masuk ke individual long term. And this is for the question. You will have 1 minute to prepare and 1 until 2 minutes of talking time. Ya, ini pertanyaan yang ya. Jadi kamu di sini diminta ya akan diberikan gitu ya secari kertas gitu ya, like a cue card. Describe something you own, which is very important to you. You should say where you got it from and how long have had it and what you use it for, and explain why is it important to you. Yeah, you will have 1 minute to prepare your answer.
Hmm. Bentar, Miss, belum kepikiran.
Okay.
Hmm. Maksudnya is it valuable in terms of money itu apa ya, Miss?
Ya, apakah berharga? Kira-kira
Hmm.
berharga nggak
Oh,
dalam uang? Jika apakah ada harganya gitu?
dengan uang gitu ya.
Nah, jika ditukarkan dengan uang, apakah ada harganya?
Oke. Oke, Miss.
Ya, dari sisi uang, apakah ada harganya?
Oke, oke, oke. Udah.
Okay. Okay, you can start speaking now.
Ya. Start ya.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you. In this moment, I want to telling about the most important thing that I have from from I was a teenager. It is about 10 years ago. It is a necklace from my mother. It
Mhm.
is a gift when I was birthday on 25.
My mom gave the necklace when my birthday atau when my 20 berapa tadi? 25. When my
Yes.
25th birthday.
Oh yeah. When my mom
Give
give a necklace as a gift of my 25th birthday. Uh, Actually, it is also the money is also from my father, but my mother bought it um, bought the
Mhm.
bought a necklace from that money. Um, I it is um I think from the necklace there is no special if the other see, but for me it is a special gift because my I think my father um ha with his saving use his saving,
Use his
yeah,
saving
to bought it.
Mm-mm.
um so I live in the family with not so apa ya, biasa aja gitu. Apa tuh?
Simple,
In the
sederhana.
simple
In simple
family.
family.
Iya, simple ya.
Sederhana.
Iya,
Oh,
simple,
bisa pakai modest ya, modest juga bisa.
modest ya, modest
Modest.
family. In every birthday, my parent was not celebrate my birthday in the with the a lot of people, or with my invite my friends to my home. We just celebrate it in the modest celebration. It is special because when I accept accepted this gift, I still remember how is my how was my father face. I still remember the his smile. I still remember his hugs that I cannot repeat because he was
Passed away.
passed away.
And how long have you had it?
I have it about 10 years.
10 years.
10 years. Yes.
Okay. 10 years, yeah.
Yeah.
And what you use it for?
I use it in my daily activity.
With your daily activity.
Yes.
Is it valuable in terms of money?
No, it is cannot is it valuable in terms of, no, it is not valuable in terms of money, because maybe if we look the bentuk tuh apa, Miss?
Physical.
Apa? Form,
Physical.
physically.
Yeah.
If we look the physically of the necklace is not clean anymore. It is out of the ketinggalan zaman itu apa ya?
Old fashioned.
Bisa tulis nggak, Miss?
Old
Old fashion.
Ya, ketinggalan zaman.
Yeah, it is old fashion, but it's okay because I have the memory of this necklace.
Would it easy to replace?
No, it is cannot be replaced with the other things, and it is so valuable.
So why is it important to you? Why is it valuable to you?
Because it has a lot of memory of uh, a lot of memory that I still can remember.
Memories, ya.
Yeah.
Memories. So many memories in it, ya.
Yes, so many memory.
Many memory in it. Ya, because the necklace, jadi objek pronounnya adalah it.
Oke.
Okay. Gimana?
Dah.
Ya. Okay. We move to part 3. Sebentar. Oke, sebentar. Aku hapus ini dulu bentar ya. Okay. And this is the part 3. Yeah. The question in part 3 will be connected to the general topic that you spoke about in part 2. You will discuss the topic in a more general and abstract way, showing the examiner that you are able to express and justify your opinions, analyze, discuss, and speculate on the topic in more depth. If your long turn was about a beautiful place to visit in your city, this section might begin by talking about beautiful places. And the first question might be, do you think it's important to maintain beautiful places in cities? And then the examiner will speak more with you in this section and may ask you to justify your opinions to see how well you are able to communicate about abstract ideas compared to the personal topics you spoke in parts 1 and part 2. In part 3, you are assessed on your ability to express and justify opinions and to analyze, discuss, and speculate about a range of issues connected to the general topic you spoke about in part 2. Ya, selanjutnya kita ada part 3, ya, namanya adalah two-way discussion, ya, diskusi dua arah. You will have 1 minute to prepare and 4 until 5 minutes of talking time. Part 3, two-way discussion. Let's consider first of all how people values have changed. Yeah, what kind of things give status to people in your country? Have things changed since your parents' time? Yeah. And finally, let's talk about the role of advertising. Do you think advertising influences what people buy? Okay, you can prepare the answer within 1 minute.
Arti nomor 1 gimana ya, Miss? What kind of things?
Ya, misalnya, benda apa nih yang menurut Kak Lisa memberikan status? Benda apa yang bisa memberikan status ke masyarakat di negara kamu? Misalnya, ya, misalnya dengan membeli mobil, jadi kan menaikkan status.
Iya, mobil. Oke. Dah.
Okay. Okay, you can answer now.
Yes. The kind of things give status to people in my country is a type of car. Jelasin panjang apa cuman ngejawab ini dong?
Dijelasin.
Detail
You
ya?
have to explain, yeah, like to describe, description in detail.
Okay. Is a type of car. I live in a small city.
Mm-mm.
In a small city, which is the most big company is my company. So the other company is maksudnya are work for my company. So it has sangat terlihat itu apa ya?
Very visualized.
Apa?
Visualize nih aku tulisnya.
Uh-uh.
Terlihat. Terlihat itu kan visual.
So the status is so.
Atau bisa juga pakai visible. Jadi pakainya very visible karena kan sangat ya.
Yeah.
Very visible.
So the different status is very visible in here. When someone use a type of car like Fortuner or Pajero, it means that he was level 1 of level 1 position in the PTBA office, and then so it is very we can look from the plat number, itu apa ya?
Yeah,
Police number.
Police number.
Police number, which is the level the car of the level 1's car. Police number is signed with 15 bla 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 gitu.
15. Okay, start with
Yes.
1 and 5
Yeah.
number in
So
front of.
yeah, so of course the he or she is level 1 in my company.
Top
Yes.
ya. Top management.
Yes, top management.
Okay. And do you think is that a new development?
A new what?
New development.
A new
Wait. Development.
Perkembangan.
Ya, perkembangan. Apakah ini perkembangan baru?
No, it is the old trend.
This is the old trend.
The old trend. Because PTBA has this kebijakan apa ya?
Kebijakan apa? Policy.
Yeah, PTBA has a policy about the top management facility.
Kebijakan.
Yes.
Policy.
Yes. Do you know when the PTBA give a bonus, the people surrounded the price of things will be increased. automatically.
The price around the office?
No, the price of everything that we that they buy, they sell.
Oh, around the city.
Yes,
Around the
around the
city.
city. So
Automatically will raise.
will raise, yes.
Ah,
Yeah. So there is a definited months. Um, the information will direct spread.
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 Mm.
Yes.
Have things changed since your parents' time?
The thing have things changed since your parents' time. Because I was not live in this city from my childhood, so
Mm.
I don't know about the past of uh, the history of the city, but there is a different culture with my city when I was childhood.
Mm. What is it?
Because I live in the city, the different status is not so visible.
It's not so very visible.
Yeah,
And do you think advertising influences what people buy?
of course.
Of course. Can
Yeah,
you explain more? Can you tell me a little bit more about that?
yes. As we know that the people from the children until the adult using social media in life in life. So to so the advertising is so the advertisement use the social media to get their goal.
To get their goals, to
Yes,
achieve their goals.
yes. So of course the people will buy if the advertisement is good.
The advertising, the
Kalau
advertisement,
iklannya bagus,
uh, good.
pasti orang tertarik gitu,
So it makes people to attract
interest.
people more, yeah?
Ya,
To attract people to buy the product.
yes,
Okay, I think that's it, yeah, for today.
ya, thank.
I will send this lesson material to you by email. Okay, do you have any questions so far, Kalisa?
So far belum ada, Miss.
Okay, maybe we have what will we do in the next class? The topics, maybe you have topics
The topic maybe
about what?
can be the how to introduce myself in
Mm,
business life, yeah.
in business, like
Yes,
business English,
yes. Telling about the company, and you can correct my vocabulary or grammar or pronunciation.
business English introduction.
Introduction,
Mm,
and telling about my work, my
my profession, yeah,
profession,
profession. Telling.
um, so I can terbiasa tuh apa ya?
Oh, I will get used to it.
Uh,
Get
I
used to
get
it.
used to. it.
I will get used to it. Yeah, I'll get. Okay. Thank you so much, Kalisa.
Yeah, thank you, Miss.
Yeah, we will see you again on next session.
Yeah,
Have a great night.
thank you, Miss.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Bye.